Hello everyone, welcome back to Maker Mike channel. Has your kitchen knife become dull after years of use and you're not sure how to sharpen it properly? You're in the right place. Today, we'll look at a simple, effective way to do it yourself. With the right setup and a steady hand, you can bring this blade back to clean, confident cuts again. First, you get the cutting machine ready. Unplug it and set it on a stable bench so nothing moves. Take the flap sanding disc and mount it firmly on the spindle. Tighten it by hand, then give it a final snug check. A solid setup here keeps everything safe and under control. Now, turn the cutting machine upside down and clamp it firmly in a vise so it cannot shift. Make sure it sits solid before you power it on. Hold the knife with both hands and set the edge at about a 10 to 12 degree angle. Turn the machine on and guide the blade lightly across the disc. Keep your movements slow and steady. Before we move on, share your city and state. It helps me make better projects for you. Now turn the machine off and switch out the flap disc for a grinding wheel. Tighten it down and make sure it runs true before you continue. Turn the machine back on and lightly press a small amount of polishing paste against the spinning wheel. You only need a thin layer. Bring the knife edge back to the wheel and move it slowly. This step smooths the edge, removes fine marks, and starts bringing out a clean shine without taking off extra steel. Now it is time to clean and finish the blade. Put a small amount of regular white toothpaste directly onto the knife edge. Take a soft toothbrush and scrub along the blade, from the handle toward the tip. Use steady strokes and light pressure. The toothpaste works as a mild polishing compound and helps remove fine residue left from grinding. Add a little clean water as you go to keep everything moist and smooth. After brushing both sides evenly, rinse the knife under water and wipe it dry with a clean cloth. The blade should now feel smooth, clean, and ready for use. Now the knife is sharp again, clean, and ready for real kitchen work. It cuts paper clean and slices an orange thin without forcing the blade. This is not about making tools look new. It is about keeping them useful and safe. With a few careful steps, you saved time and money, and you kept a good knife out of the trash. If this kind of practical repair helps you, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who still enjoys fixing things the right way.